Hello, hi, namaste, welcome to my channel. This is Vrishali, a spiritual healer, a psychic medium, occultist, and a writer. First of all, thank you so much, everybody who has sticked around on this channel. Even then, there was not much content for the last couple of weeks or precisely months, I must say. I have been occupied a lot in my personal life and a lot of things happening around my work as well. So I was not getting much time to dedicate to this channel. So firstly, apologies. Secondly, I wanted to make this as an announcement video for a couple of changes that are happening around this channel, so that you all are updated as to what all we are going to do for you. And another idea of putting this video was because of the sudden changes. You all should not feel like why so many things are suddenly changed on this channel. So I thought I'll make this personal video talking about the announcement. So let's dive deep into this video further. Firstly, I wanted to say that I have been making a lot of videos on planetary transit and their effects on all of the 12 zodiac signs, eclipses videos, new moon and full moon videos, and also the love readings and pick a card. And what's going to happen is I'm not going to be concentrating more on pick a card or love readings because I'm not really getting much time for that. But I'm going to cover the transit videos of the planetary movements for all the zodiac signs, and this is based on the Vedic astrology, not on the Western astrology. So that will continue, but the video the video content will be like short videos. It won't be too long videos. So, and you know that I comprise my tarot cards and also the astrological movements, so that way we will have less time on each sign. So that's going to be short video. Secondly, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be talking a lot about the tips how you can better your life based on the Indian rituals, customs, traditions, or whatever we follow in the Vedic astrology, best of my knowledge and my experience and whatever I have learned. Okay, I will be sharing that, but the twist here is I'll be doing that in Hindi because a lot of people can relate to it, a lot of people can easily understand. And so whichever is a video of a tip video, or some kind of changes that you can do, for example Vastu tips or benefits of chakras and how you can incorporate chakras, then these kind of videos will be put into Hindi. So this channel is going to be English and is also going to be Hindi, so both the viewers who are good in these languages can understand and pick up the benefits of this content which I will be putting in. Okay, I would also like to say that if you want to book a reading with me, you can definitely contact us through the given email address, contact numbers, or visit our website. That's definitely possible, but private readings are only with prior appointments. Without appointments, I won't be taking any reading. And I've also wanted to say that we will also be putting in crystal videos, because now the work has expanded a lot. We are doing gemstones, crystals a lot, massively, rare gemstones. This all is very helpful for your life, and you know that I work a lot on these areas. And not only do I do the private readings, but I am associated with Astro Talk, Astro Yogi. So if you want any quick readings, you can get in touch with me through these portals or through these apps. And I'm also getting in more internationally with the international regions like US and UK. So work has expanded a lot by grace of God, and it's going in various directions, and because of which I'm getting very less time to dedicate to this channel. So I'll try my best by putting in more and more videos, and I want to focus more on the tips because not everybody can really afford the consultation. So my request is whoever learns even one or two things from me, I request you all to please share it with your loved ones, with your friends and family. So the more people benefit from it, I'll feel my soul mission is served well on this planet. Especially my most popular video of number 24, the magic of number 24, how you can use this number 24 for balancing your life, correcting the issues, whatever the issues can be. Guys, I use it in my personal life, and I have seen the results. I have seen the results for all the people that I have suggested them these solutions and these remedies, because all of my remedies are based on dharma, mantra, yantra, and your karmic clearness, and then self-improvement. Because the more you improve yourself, the more you're going to shine, the more you're going to see the positive results for yourself. Okay, so that was one of the things. And last but not the least, there are a couple of channels I'm coming live, like my videos on different topics and contents have started coming on air on the Indian television. I'll tell you the channel names, and you can also follow me there. Apart from the social media, of course, you can also follow and see those programs, the TV programs. So one is Astro Dunia, which is coming up on Tata Sky. Channel number is 512. Second is Jyotish Dunia. This is on Dish TV, channel number 129. And again, Jyotish Dunia on Videocon. This is 204. Okay. Sorry, Videocom, I guess. Because guys, I don't have a TV. I myself don't watch TV, so I really don't know what that is. But yeah, apologies. And Astrovani, which is 673. This is Airtel Digital TV. Okay, so I hope this information is helpful, and thank you so much for showering all your love, your blessings. I really like the comments, and I am trying my best to respond to each and every comment, and it really feels nice when somebody appreciates your video, likes it, and gives you a comment on that, and you also learn through that. Because maybe when you had made that content, you may have not thought about that point, but it's good, the interaction comes, because I really don't promote my social media. Whatever the people are associated, they are all through hard earned liking and followers, whichever I have. So it feels nice, it feels very, very good. So I hope this is helpful, and we'll put in more videos in Hindi. So thank you so much. Namaste. Bye bye.